Ka Jylla Meghalaya ka dan sangut ke bala Khlad no na COVID-19. Ka khubor ba yolum mena ka step ka khat khandai tarik unai tung kala pentip bala dan sa arngut ke bala Khlad no hena ka step hani grams but uwei ude unong thia pang u bala Khlad no ha ka po shibje shitang aa hena ka step but uwei pat ude ushipai BSF u bala Khlad no ha ka po la shitang mun stem.
And were already admitted in COVID ICU. So they were known COVID patients in in our COVID ICU treated by COVID team. So the two of those patients, they died. One at 1:30 and one about 2 hours later. And so of these patients, the patient who died at 1:35, Bantai Long, he was a known COVID positive, admitted as positive, but already he was in the hospital for nearly 3 weeks. So what happened? Usually, we put a patient in isolation. Now, how long will the patient be in isolation after the infection? So usually we test at 10 days or 14 days, so that because the virus load goes down and they become non-infective. And nobody remains in isolation permanently.
Yes.
This patient was also tested and had turned RT-PCR negative. Okay, but that doesn't mean the patient is not COVID positive. Patient was COVID positive. Now he is no more infective to others. Okay, you get the point.
Yes.
The patient already, the lungs, the kidneys, the liver, they were affected, and the patient multi-organ damage because of COVID had already happened. So though he tested negative after 2 weeks, but he was already down because of the damage to the organs. So right now he was tested and negative, but he died as a complication of COVID. But he is no more expected to be infected to others.
Okay.
The other was a BSF person. From the time of admission, he was pretty serious. His lungs were bad. He was on prone ventilation, and his kidneys had also failed. So he died at night, in the early morning.